and Happy New Year. This is Ren, owner and designer at Blessing by Design. Today I'm here on my 2017 iPad Pro to show you how to use our 2019 University Themed Digital Planners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your planner by adding pages and how I personally use these templates to keep my life organized. By the way, I have a video on our channel that is an overview of this planner, so go and check that out if you haven't seen it already. In that video, I flipped through this entire planner showing you all the pages it contains. As always, I'll leave a link in the description box for everything that I talk about in this video, including the planners and apps that I will be using. The app that I'm using today is called GoodNotes, and you can get it on the App Store for about $8. I really like this app because it allows me to seamlessly switch between writing with my Apple Pencil and using my keyboard. It also doubles as my notebook. I use this app to write notes when I'm reading textbooks or listening to lectures. I recommend this app for our planners since I have not been able to play around with the planners in other PDF annotation apps such as Evernote, in which you have to be a premium member, or Notability. So let's go ahead and open up GoodNotes. So today I'm going to be using our 2019 Baylor University themed digital planner. These planners are themed according to the official colors of each university. These planners are laid out in such a way that it's very easy to navigate. You can navigate through these pages in one of two ways. You can just flip through the planner like you would with a Kindle book, or you can use these link tabs. I'll show you in a bit how I organize and utilize my planner in day-to-day life. Okay, so first off, I'm going to show you the first place in this planner that you can customize, and that's the This Planner Belongs To page. I included this page in the planner to be somewhat of a scrapbook page. You can put whatever you want on this page, including your name. You can doodle a little, add some pictures from last year, an inspirational saying, or even your New Year's resolution. You can add as many pictures as you want throughout the entire planner, and in fact, that's the next thing I'm going to show you how to do. Let's navigate to the January month calendar. To do that, just tap on the January tab here and swipe to the left. Okay, so let's say you have some pictures that you took of your university. For example, pictures of campus, around town, or pictures of you and your friends having a good time. You can add these pictures to your monthly calendars to add your personality to your planner. I've gone to downtown Waco, the town that surrounds Baylor University, and have taken pictures of some of the touristy attractions and around campus. I want to add this picture of the Dr. Pepper truck at the Dr. Pepper Museum to my January page. To do this, I use the app right here called Procreate, which isn't free. It's $10 on the App Store, but it is cheaper than some of the apps that I've seen that does the same thing or similar. Okay, so first of all, after I open the app, I'm going to tap Photo. For my camera roll, I'm going to choose the picture that I took. Then I'm going to take the eraser and put it on a soft to medium brush. Get the size right, then erase around the part of the image that I want in my planner. I could do any part of this truck that I wanted, but I'm going to do the entire truck. So I'm just going to lightly erase around the truck and the excess image. Next, what I'm going to do is reduce the opacity to 10 because when I import this image into my planner, I'm going to want this image really light so I can still write on my calendar and clearly see what I wrote. Now, you don't have to do it this way. You can leave it at 100% if you want. I'm just showing you the way that I like to do it. After I reduce the opacity, I'm going to turn off the background layer so that the image is transparent when I import it into my planner. Then I'm going to go over to this branch, make sure that I'm on Share, export it as a PNG, save to my camera roll, and go back to GoodNotes. So now that I have my image, I'm going to want to import it into GoodNotes so that I can scale it and place it where I want. To do that, I tap on this plus in a circle icon right here, choose Image, and Photos. After I choose my image, it'll come up at full size. So I'm going to scale it down and place it right here. You can see what I talked about earlier. So even if I write in these two spaces like this, I can still clearly see what I wrote. As a tip, when you place images like this and you want to move something you wrote or typed that's on the top, if you use this lasso tool and try to select it, it will also grab the image. So now you're moving both the image and the text or handwriting. To fix this, after you tap the lasso tool, tap it again, and you'll get this drop-down menu. Then turn off images and try to move that handwriting again. It works. Now I'm just moving my handwriting around, leaving my image in the place that I put it. Now that I'm done placing my image, I can now write in the events that I have off screen here. My favorite thing about digital planners is that you can move, copy, paste, or delete anything inside, meaning that there is no real way that you can mess this up. Next, I'm going to show you how to add a weekly layout to the planner. First, you navigate to the weekly layout page. To do this, tap on the Extras tab. As you can see, there are 4 options for your weekly layouts. My personal favorite is the horizontal Sunday start. I'm not going to show you the other 3 here, but I do have a video on our channel where I walk through the entire planner. So if you would like to see the other 3, you can go check that out. I'll leave a link in the description box for you. Okay, so this is the horizontal Sunday start weekly layout. Now I want to put this in my January month tab. To do this, I first tap on this icon right here. Then you see this blue box around this page here? This is the page that I am currently on. You have to remember which page you're on because it's kind of difficult to see what's in these little images. Okay, so now I tap Edit, remembering which page I'm on, tap that page, and hit Copy. And let that copy the page. Now that I have my page, I need to navigate back to my January tab. So I tap on the January tab and swipe to where I want it to be. Then I tap this icon again, except this time I'm going to tap the plus icon instead of Edit. Then you see here is my January month calendar page, and here is a little plus icon. I'm going to tap that little icon and tap Paste Copied Pages. I'm going to do this 5 times because there are 4.5 weeks in January. Then I tab off this little window, and there it is, our first weekly layout page. Now first of all, you may have noticed that there aren't any numbers on these. I did this so that you would be able to pick whatever template you want without the bulk of a gigantic file. This makes the planner faster and it doesn't take up as much space on your device. But no need to worry. My favorite way to put the numbers into their respective days is to take the highlighter and put it on the highest default size like this. Then I draw a circle in the top left corner of the rectangles. Next, I take the pen again and write the numbers in. So 30, 31, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there are the numbers. I'm just going to go ahead and do the whole month real fast here. Okay, now that I'm done, I can add in my events and break up my to-do list among the days. My weekly layouts are done, and now I'm going to add a daily layout. I do the same thing I did for the weekly layouts. I go to the page I want, tap Edit, tap on the page I'm on, tap Copy, and navigate back to my January tab. Okay, so now I'm actually going to put my daily layouts between the weekly layouts. So I tap on this icon again, tap the plus, add the page where I want it, and paste copied pages. At this point, you might be thinking about how you're going to navigate between all these pages. Because once you have 7 daily layouts between the 5 weekly layouts, it's going to be a mess trying to flip between the month calendar, weekly layouts, and daily layouts. To fix this, what I like to do is add bookmarks. So I'll bookmark the month calendar page as January. I'll bookmark each of the weeks. So for this one, it's 30 through 5, along with all the other weeks. Then the days. So for this one, January 1, and all the other days after it. So once you're done, you're able to easily switch between pages that are far apart. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my first daily layout page, my January 1 page. So what I like to do is fill out my to-do list, put everything I need to do for that day on the to-do list. Then I'll copy and paste my tasks from the to-do list section to the priorities section if it's a priority, or the hour by hour section here. That way I still have all my tasks on my to-do list to check off, but I still have them on a structured schedule. And that's it for the daily layouts. Our digital planners have all the customization and more of a paper planner without all the extra bulk of paper. You can fully customize our planners and add as many pages or images as you want to it. This allows you to organize your planner and your life in any way that suits you. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.